Welcome. Let's explore how Bridge Element ChMS allows you to utilize groups in a practical way. We'll cover how to print labels for a group, create and print a group directory, and we will also learn how to export a group to Excel or numbers. First, select Groups. Now we are viewing the main Groups page. Select a group, and in this case, we're going to choose First-Time Visitors. Select the Options menu drop-down box, which is the gear cog in the right-hand side. Now review the option and let's print a list of names for this group. Select Print Names and go. You can now download this group listing as a PDF. We can also print a directory for this group. We can organize a group directory by listing individual persons or by listing family groupings that include a listing of each individual. Simply choose your drop-down option again and your directory option. We can print by individual or families as mentioned. We can also print including a profile picture as well. Select your options and press go. This will download a PDF which will be able to be used similar to our people PDF, which I'll show you here. This is the PDF of our individuals that we printed earlier. Next, we can print labels for a list of group members. Continuing with our cog symbol here, select Print Labels. Determine which type of label option you'd like to use, an Avery 5160 or the Avery 5167. And you also can determine if you want to group by family or if you want to add as a current resident. We can individually print groups separately if we had multiple groups selected. Select Go, and your group labels will be downloaded as, let's go ahead and show you a PDF. Press Go. And there are our label printouts. Easy to do, saves you time, and is very simple for anyone to create that PDF printout. Next, let's select a printable attendance roll. So this is still pretty common if you're still doing paper attendance in your church. Drop-down option once again, print attendance roll. We can create the date for the printed attendance option. So simply select the field, the day, and then the number of visitor lines that we'd also like to include in the printable option. We can print again groups separately if we're printing all of our groups, and then press go. Your PDF will print out for you. You can have an option for submitting it electronically if you were using the mobile app and already entering attendance as you go, and then you'll have your visitor lines at the end. Now we're almost done, and our last option here is going to be able to be exporting particular groups to a CSV or an Excel type file. Simply make your group selection as we've been doing and select Export. Now we have a listing of group members with columns including contact information. We can use this file to perform any sort of mail merge in Microsoft Word or Apple's Pages so that we can print pre-formatted letters addressed to each individual group member. So that sort of CSV type file will be able to be used, like we said, in Excel or Apple's version, which is numbers. Lastly, you can apply any sort of group filters or properties to different groups simply by using your group setting here and applying properties. Simply select the appropriate groups and apply the desired properties that you guys were looking for the particular group. Once complete, you'll be able to filter your group by list or a group of filters, as you can see here on the right-hand side, which really brings in a lot of filtering options for finding information very succinctly and very quickly. So that's a brief overview of what you can do with particular printing labels, directories, exporting options, and applying groups properties. I hope this informational video and tutorial has been very helpful for you. Obviously, with any questions that you have, feel free to give us a shout. We're happy to help. Reach us on our general support line or send us an email. Thank you so much and have a great day.